Okay, diamond painters and crafters. So now we're gonna do an unboxing video of this new Diamond Art Club kit. It is round because it has round on it, plus it has the pink. And it isn't the new, one of the new Zodiac paintings. It is Sagittarius, which is round. This one is actually my daughter's Zodiac. Mine was Aquarius, so you can check out that unboxing video. But let's jump in. I haven't opened this one yet. So it is your standard DAC box. I'm not sure, they do have new toolkits out. In my other unboxing video with Aquarius, I did not get a new toolkit, so that's okay. Hopefully maybe this one will get a new toolkit. The new toolkit has a few extra things in a different tray, but we'll see. Oh, look at there. I got a new toolkit. So exciting. Ooh, okay, so I haven't ordered lately, so this is one of the new ones. So if you get a bag like this, it is a new toolkit. It has a magic applicator, a comfort grip, a heart-shaped wax container, a craft tray, a tray stopper, a multi-placer, a cover minder, and 3 Ziploc baggies. Or not 3, just a Ziploc bag. So it even comes with this where you have to unopen it. So please reuse and recycle. So this is a recyclable bag. All right, guys, so here it is. Are you ready for this? So this one, pretty little pink glittery pen. So here's your applicator. Ooh, you got your pretty cover minder, pretty diamond one. You get 2 multi-placers. So one is a 7 and one is a 4. They usually give you a 4. A purple grippy. A new heart container with wax. So 2 waxes with this cute heart container. Your Ziploc bags. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And pretty washi tape. So mine's blue. So pretty. I don't even know if I want to use it to... So some people, if you don't know why they give you washi tape, some people actually tape off their canvases and work in sections, which I definitely like doing because it helps me, you know, stop at a certain time, or I say, okay, one more square. But, you know, okay. And then you got a new tray. So what's different about this tray? It's a little bit bigger and a little bit deeper, okay? And it's glittery. Plus, you get this neat little stopper to help your drills not push off, if I can actually put it in the right way. So you can actually put it in, and then you can actually lift it up and you can pour out your drills and then push it back in. So you have this neat little stopper, just push up. Okay, depends on how far you push it back. But if you wanted to, you can just pull it out or just lift it up a little bit and you can shake those drills out. So pretty neat. Super excited about this, especially this cover minder. Super cute cover minder. It's a little diamond, pink, blue, cool colors. So pretty neat. So glad I finally got one. Of course, like I said, I haven't bought lately. Been doing some other craftings and just haven't really seen any I have to have. But when these came out, I'm into this type of artwork and this type of designs, and I just love witches and all that. But here is your one sticker, and then let's jump into this canvas. So this is a 20 by 28, which is what they all are. So if you do have your different Zodiac and you want to get your other Zodiac, you can do that. Or it does say like the Sagittarius or Sagittarius on here. So it says the Sagittarius. You could cover that without any problem if you don't want to say that. Because I'm actually thinking about covering both of them where it says the Aquarius and the Sagittarius, to not have that being said, that they just look like witches. So you could totally cover that with pink. You could cover it with black. You could, you know, you could do whatever. So you could totally make this your own and change it up. Because I know a couple people have complained about this pink background, that they are this pink background. And the last one was 936 background, which I think this is what this one is. So 936 is, where's 936? 936? Yes. So the background is pink. So it looks like a lot of these come in the 936 color. This one only has 32 colors. It has 4 ABs. You get a white AB. It looks like you get maybe a yellow AB. No, that's not yellow. you get a brown AB, you get, I think, a white AB, and like a yellowish tan color. So you also get your sticker. So again, you get your sticker, 32 colors. So this one's a little bit smaller colors. And then you get your thank you little help purchase little thing here where it has all these special things. And it does show you like washi tape. You can use the washi tape to keep the edges of your painting straight and create a decorative border. So there's different things you can use. You can use it as around the border. However, I wouldn't think blue would look good with this one. It actually would do better with the Sagittarius. I mean, not Sagittarius, Aquarius one. But yeah, so you get that and everything. The clarity again is very good. So yeah, so her skin tone looks a little darker. So her skin tone is actually 758, and with the highlights of 3778 and reading backwards, let's see, where's that one? And 356. So I think she's a little tanner than normal. She might be of a color person, but she's gorgeous. I love her. I couldn't wait to get her. Of course, I want to do her first because I love rounds, but I think I'm going to do my Sagittarius first because that's going to be a challenge for me because I am not a round person. So let's look. Let's see. We have, what did we say? We have 758. So let's find 758 if we can. So, yep, white AB. It's right there. 758. 758. So if you can see, oh, here's the other AB right here. So it's like this creamish, not cream, but like brown, light brown tan color. Kind of purpley too. It's very pretty. I like that one. So there we go. And then we have, let's see. Here we go. 372 is E, not the right color. We have 378, 778, that is a skin tone color. Got a little bit of black. Here's your nice pretty pinks that are all there. So that's all your pinks that are the background. You have, let's see this, you have, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. Got 3771, 758. So 758 is part of the skin tone. So that is like a peachy color. So maybe not. Maybe it is just a nice dark peachy color. And then you have 772, which is E. So E is kind of in her ear. So that's a little browner. So that's maybe more of a tan. I mean, I'm a white person, like I'm pale. So, yeah. Because like this is not my peach skin tone. I am usually on the paler side. So, but she's going to be gorgeous no matter what color she is. So there's one. Let's see. There should be a whole big bag of this other color. Unless I'm missing a bag or two. It should be 3778. Oh, here it is. 3778. Now this one looks a little on the pink side. Like almost like a peach orange. So we'll have to wait and see what her skin tone looks like. She might look more of a pinky color because I know sometimes they do that. So, because this one is supposed to be right here. So like not quite the highlight, but almost the highlight. So right there. And then you have the 758. So let's find that one again. Just in case you wondered kind of what colors. So 758. And then you have the little triangle, which is 356. So 356. Just in case you're wondering, because I know sometimes they look like they're going to be a certain way, and then you get it, and the colors are kind of off. Was it 356? Yeah, so 356. So yeah, that's, I mean, that might be a little orangey. I don't know. To me, that looks a little orangey. But, you know what? It's probably going to turn out fine. Just as pretty as it should be. Of course, what's funny is if you look here, the color looks a little tanner, not these peachy pink colors. So, you know, I might look up the DAC and kind of see what that is, but those are the 3 skin tone colors for her face. So you have the light color that's everywhere. Then you have the little darker color that's right here around this like highlighted area. And then you have the darker accents on the shadowing. So like under her eye right here. So that tells you that. Let me show you where the ABs go. So some of the ABs are 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have some 4s up here. Some 4s here, a couple of 1s, 3s, 2s. So you have a good mixture without. So this is an owl. So you have your AB, or not ABs, but your black. So not too many blacks. This one I would say is definitely more of a color blocking, because her hat is definitely color blocked. Here you get into some mixture in her hair. Couple mixtures there. There's ABs right here, which is like a flower. Or not flower, but like a feather. But she is gorgeous. Sagittarius. Again, if you don't like this outline, you can mix it up. You can get some of those quad drills, the ones that take place of 4, and you can add that sparkle in there. You could even get crystals and add crystals within. So there's a lot of people saying they don't like the color of the background. And I was sitting here thinking, you could do so much and change it. You could add extra little things throughout, like little star. Well, not this one stars. Well, this one has a little bit of stars, or these little things that look kind of like stars. But sparkles, little lines, little extra these. You could do the quad crystals. So there's so much with the background that you could do if you wanted to. If not, you could do it completely like this. You could add extra ABs, white ABs throughout here. You could add blue ABs. You could add whatever ABs you wanted all through here, okay? So, pretty, you want it, go get it from DAC. It is a limited edition. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.